In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable sleep mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows Start button, and you want to type in Settings. Go ahead and select that from the list here. And then on the left side, select System. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select Power. And then select where it says Screen and Sleep Timeouts. Go ahead and expand the drop-down. And where it says Plugged In, Make My Device Sleep After, click the drop-down there, and then you can select anything other than Never, because Never obviously means that your device is never going to go into sleep mode. And you could do the same setting change for battery mode or when on battery, assuming that you have a laptop or tablet device. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.